Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Alex here. Now, I just wanted to make a really quick video because you guys keep asking me over and over again how I'm able to take screenshots by swiping from the side of my phone like that. I get this question almost every single day, and I just thought I would make a dedicated video on how to do this. Now, this is a good lock module. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Galaxy store and install the Good Lock application. If you don't have Good Lock available in your region, try going to the Play Store instead and looking for Find Lock. It's exactly the same thing, but it's available in more regions. So go ahead and install Find Lock or Good Lock, and once you have it installed on your phone, open it up and then look for the One Hand Operation Plus module. It's right here under the Life Up section. So tap into here. If you haven't used this before, it's going to ask you to install it. So go ahead and install the module. But once you're in here, you can see that you get these two handlebars on either side of your phone. We have a left handle and a right handle, and you can map a whole bunch of different actions to these handlebars. That's how I'm able to take a screenshot like that. I'm also able to open up the Galaxy Store and the Play Store like you saw, just like that. I can also start a screen recording just like that, and I can even do things from the other side as well. Really, really amazing, and definitely my favorite Good Lock module that really takes your phone to the next level. But once you're in here, what you want to do is go ahead and go into each of these handles. So I'll start with the right handle, and you'll see we have a short swipe section and a long swipe section. So you can map different actions to a short swipe and a long swipe. So this gives you a total of 6 actions on either handle for a total of 12. So you can really map a whole lot of actions to these handles. And you can see right here under my right handle diagonal down, I have it mapped to screenshots. So you can go into any of these swipe actions and you can go through this whole entire list, and you can see there's so many things that you can map to these handles. It is insane. You can do just about anything. And you can even open up a specific application. So if you go down at the bottom, you see start application. You can go into here and map these to open up any application on your phone. So just go through both of the right and left handle and map all of your swipe actions to whatever action you want your phone to take. And that's it. Now you can take whatever action you map to your handles. And it's really quite amazing. You can do so much with these. It's pretty incredible. It's definitely my favorite Samsung application or module within Good Lock. Really, really takes your phone to the next level. And there you go, guys. That's everything you need to do. Super simple to set this up. And now you can look just as cool as me, taking screenshots like an absolute pro. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for future videos to come. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.